participate. 9 months, the decision it was to carry weight. 18 years, kid according to the state. 9 times out of 10, you make it if it's fate. Accepted destiny, coded in the DNA. Cooking like a recipe, alignment with the stars, causing me the empathy. The selfish need, speak on what we're experiencing. Yeah. Me and a couple kids got kicked out the agency. We seen behind the scenes how they experiment. We read Revolution, see what contradicts. When the camera turned off, what do they really represent?
Damn, the camera's turned off, bro? How you feel?
In order to be born, our mothers had to force it. So it's only right we let nature take her courses. Learn a couple concepts from the world today.